All right, so we got to clean off just a little bit of excess paint. Just because I don't want it around the ceiling surface.
There's a lot more over there than there was over here.
Yeah. It's because I was doing the painting. Doesn't hurt to have it clean.
Yeah,
I could probably put it on without doing nothing, but I don't want to.
Just a little added help is all it
As
is.
soon as it heats up, that paint would bubble.
Whoa, what about the cross hatching?
Huh?
What about the cross hatching?
Oh, I'm just getting the pin off. Cross hatching ain't gonna come off. But that paint will be burnt right on there.
Oh yeah. Oh, they have a little paint in here too.
In the hole.
Yeah, right. Well, in the cylinder. Still some left on this one, but I don't see any on this.
That's good enough.
Right here, good too.
This is good enough. Main thing is around the ceiling portion.
Pretty nice.
I mean, a brand new decked head, we want to keep it nice.
With all the effort was put into it.
Right. We're going to take our favorite ether.
Have we run out of that stuff? Like gotten close to running out of stuff yet? Or we still got a whole case?
I got a bunch.
Where?
There's a couple cans over there, a couple up on the shelf.
Oh, I thought we got a case of it.
No.
There's a wasp flying around.
Yeah, it's Texas.
Pretty much. Well, 2 more months and they won't be around.
Thank goodness. I don't like them anyway.
There's whatever that big thing is.
What?
That thing buzzing right there.
Where'd it go?
It left, but it's
good.
pretty big, whatever it is. Yep. You got all this fuzz over.
Stick this down with these facing down, because that faces up. It's the cylinder head. Pop it over the little thingies. We're ready for a head.
You want to carry it over? Or?
No, you can.
It's a little heavy. Oh, I think I got it the wrong way. That's a little bit. You got it.
Set it down on these pins. Oh,
What?
no, you had it the right way. I didn't even look at it.
What do you
That's
mean?
exhaust. No, that's intake.
Yeah. Fit right into the pin just fine.
All right, is it sitting down?
Yep, fully seated.
So these washers, they've got a little divot in them that goes towards the head of the bolt, so that they don't pinch and pop them.
Let me just get the outer ones first.
We're gonna do the 4 of them. Oh, you took some from the other side.
Oh, messed up the alignment. Just bringing them in a little as well. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
This one didn't want to go in all the way. It's a little tight on it. There, maybe this will work now. No, it's got a gap.
There might be something down in there. Let me see.
Nope, this one's got a...
That's the 2 end ones?
Yeah, this and this. Well, or no, middle half right here, and then we got one right here. So the ones that are... I mean, I'm just not putting a whole lot of pressure on them.
It's clear.
I can
Is that the one?
No, it's right here.
This one?
Yep. And this one.
Yeah, they're clear.
Well, I'll just full send them then. Just didn't want to accidentally mess up the line.
Let's start with this one here.
There we go. Okay. Then.
Yeah, just go that way, then come this way. We're not torquing them down, we're just putting them down.
Just driving them in. Then these.
Yep.
Make sure they're in. Yep. Head one done.
All right, let's roll it over. That's going to be a slightly more heavy motor as we get this going. Okay, now wire wheel that off.
Yeah. Just get dirty.
And then ether it.
This cylinder has I think it's the only one. Just around the inside right there. Ready?
I think so. Normally we'd have to worry about making sure it was flat and all this other stuff, but it is flat because they decked it.
It already did all that for us.
We need to get more of that off there.
I think those are like stains on them, isn't it?
Yeah, they're stains from the oil.
Oh.
So we're gonna.
Probably need a wire brush.
These edges sure are sharp.
Oh yeah. Maybe just take the wire wheel around again. Gosh, all the fuzzies.
Right? I'm tearing up the rag.
Could probably use a towel then. That way you can get some more scrubbing power in there, because then you don't have to worry about it falling apart.
It's almost like it's, because as soon as you wipe it, it goes away. But the wiping causes these things to.
The white rags didn't fall apart.
Oh, see, it's the assembly lube is what it is.
Oh, that's that residue?
Yeah.
Oh, ready for the next one?
Yeah. Oh. You can get that out of there, and I'll get to the. And we already made sure that all the holes match up to all this stuff. So we don't have to worry about not having something in the right spot.
Oh yeah. So much easier with the scraper thing to get just open packages.
Yeah.
So much better.
Go ahead.
Oh, bring it over. All right.
Set it on down.
Use that side.
Looking flat?
Kind of. Not really. Not on this side.
No, it is.
Oh, it is?
It's on
What?
there.
We sure got a bit of a bubble up right here. I guess it is. Just like, I guess, lift it up and then set it back down.
It's flat now. Just need to idle it into place.
Need to be finagled in.
And I'm rechecking every one of these guys before I stick it in.
Oh, what?
Just telling them, camera.
Oh, yeah.
Rechecking every one of these washers, make sure it's got the right side on it. Okay. Last check.
Because now's the time to find out.
Fix it.
Exactly. All right. All in. What's the paper?
I was hoping to have the torque, but it doesn't.
It doesn't? I'd assume out of anything it should.
Preload torque recommendations. Sequence up to 70 foot-pounds. Oh look. Torque sequence light below 3 equal steps to 70 foot-pounds with the ARP torque fastener assembly lubricant.
Alright, so we'll take them all out.
Lubricate the thread bolts with the ARP torque cylinder head bolt protruding in a blind hole. And the ones that go into the water jacket need thread sealer, or in our case, RTV.
Well, we got that, don't we?
Yeah, high temp. Alright. So, the ones that go into the water jacket, which we're going to have to pull the head up, just go ahead and loosen all those things up.
Yep. That one won't.
Well, what?
I'm gonna need the ratchet for one of them.
You just put them in with that.
Yeah, it's not strong enough to get it out, I guess. Let's see. Nope. Yeah, that one's in. And we're gonna need a ratchet.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah, this one.
Oh.
All right.
Alright, so we're going to pull these out. Make sure you grab the washers with it.
Yep.
These ones are kind of tricky because you can't get your finger in there.
Yeah, it's a bit tight for those ones.
Yeah.
That's it. Well, now we know which ones. Yeah, so lifting the head up. Or now.
Yeah, we're going to mark the water jacket ones with a Sharpie, so just pull it off and hold it.
Okay. This side's not wanting to come up.
You got to wiggle it off that.
Stanchion. There we go.
Let me get this off here. Now, so these ones are water jacket all along here. So this whole row is, and this row is the same, I think.
Yep.
Yep, they're all in the water jacket. Okay, so every bolt.
There we go.
Okay, so every bolt gets it.
I guess we'll start with the outside little ones.
Yeah, we'll start with the outside little ones.
Sure, it's that the thread locker, right? Or
This is just RTV sealant. It's high temp.
oh, okay. Oh, I got stuck.
There's the plug when it gets all heated up. It's a real pain in the butt.
I bet.
Because there's a damn plug in there.
Wait, it's like its own dried stuff just sitting in there?
Yeah, because when I got it off, when I took it off, it didn't like, it left a little plug, so I was like,
Yeah.
So there ain't a whole lot of room, and I'm probably putting way too much.
Definitely excess that peers out.
But this thing is pissing me off.
What, the plug?
Yeah.
It doesn't seem like it's a problem. Why don't you just squeeze it until it comes out?
It won't come out. Because it's bigger than the hole. So I'm just going to have to baby the damn thing and hold on to this. Makes for good televisions.
Pretty much. It's entertainment.
Because, yes, I'm a moron.
We forgot the thread lock, or the sealant.
Well, that's why I went and read that thing, because I was looking for the torque, but that's not what I found.
I guess you have to look up online what the torque
I
is.
actually did. It said 70 foot-pounds.
Which one of these big ones you want?
On the very ends.
Very end? Yeah.
It won't take us long to redo it. And actually, since I'm holding this screw, I don't need to use it.
It's not coming back up. Where's these big ones again?
All the rest of the holes.
Everything?
Yeah.
Alright.
Only the two end ones are different. With this, the only reason to do this is so it doesn't rust the bolts, because the seal of them against the aluminum will do enough. But as far as the seal goes, but these bolts will be submerged in water forever.
Oh, yeah. They'll constantly have the coolant on them.
Right. If you're running a drag machine, you don't have that problem because you're replacing everything fairly regularly.
Just rips the engine apart.
Yeah, you're just trashing it every time you go down the track.
I think that, yep. That's on.
So now we're gonna
Next
go
side. Oh, side B.
That's 7/16, isn't it?
Yeah. Wait. Half inch. So yeah.
All right, there's the one we're gonna use.
Do you have the charger for this battery? I don't know where
Yeah,
the
it's
charger
right here.
is. It already plugged in?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep, sure. So we'll do 30, 50, then 70.
All right.
Let me look up real quick. I might have a picture of it. I might have taken a picture.
Oh.
The torque sequence.
Oh.
But it's basically from the inside out. So we could start here, go here, 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 and that'll be fine.
Okay.
We'll do that.
So this one first.
Yep.
All right. There we
There
go.
you go. Then down here. Okay. Right there. And over here. And right here. And over here. And right here. And right here. Right here. Second one from the end. That's good. It already clicked.
It did not. It was still loose.
No, I know, but we're not even anywhere near the torque.
So many head bolts on this thing.
Just a few. Okay, now we'll crank it to 50. What we'll do is we pull back the
And then
thing,
just twist it.
and the next one is right there, 50. $14,050.
All right.
Do it again. Right here. Just don't pull with that hand.
Oh yeah, I'm pulling with this one.
Hang on, we need to move this
Say more that way.
tad. Let me make sure you're still in.
You ready?
Yep. One, two, three, yep. This one might click right away. Yep.
Yep. already did that one, didn't we? Oh, we can do it again anyways, just to be sure.
Yep,
Yep.
we did. I think we already did this one.
Yep.
Nope.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're good.
Yeah.
All right.
That's all?
Now 70, which is another full turn. Okay. Now it's going a little more difficult.
Oh, yeah. Still not. There we go.
It was. It just wasn't there yet. Just going to check this one.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, I know. We're supposed to go back and forth across the whole motor, but you know what? That ain't gonna matter.
It's back and forth across it.
Yeah. As in these last two. Check this one here. I think it's already done.
Yep.
You know, equally tightening them, but you know what? Once the middle's done, it's good.
And this our file?
Yep. Okay, now we're just gonna go and check them.
Make sure they're all.
Yep. We'll go this way now.
It's like a hair gets tightened each time, I guess.
Just a tad.
Just a
I think
little
this
bit.
was done. Yep. That way. It's not moving at all, so. Okay.
Sweet. Fully attached. There's nothing else we had to put on it? I mean, now would be
No,
the
there's
worst
nothing.
time.
There's nothing underneath there.
Sweet.
There we go. Over. Thing gets heavier and heavier. No, push it back.
Okay.
No, right there.
Now we're just gonna take these out.
Yep. So we don't torque them first.
Need a ratchet for that one. One for that one.
And I gotta say, Tony did say to do it, and I forgot, Tony.
Say to do what?
put the sealant on it. Here, let me have that.
Oh yeah.
Well, that gun gets hot.
Oh yeah. Whew, it's warm. That's mainly because it was struggle just to get these up. Any other ones up top here?
I thought you got them all.
All right. Yes, you did.
Run those other two up.
Sweet.
So what we'll do is, you can pull it out. I'll hand it to you back with stuff on it.
All right.
We'll start right there. Huh, you did my thing.
Well, this will be the time that it gives you the worst. Is now that's on the home stretch with it.
Right? Actually, I can reach in and grab the next one. If you want to pull out the next one, get it ready. Jeez. I don't want to put too much, but I also don't want to put too little.
Pretty much. That came out of this one, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. But just go in a row.
Yeah, 'cause the top ones are all the
The
same.
next one up. It is hot in Texas today.
Whew. Well, I think it's like, well, it's not 90 today, is it? I don't think so.
No, it's cloudy, which makes it even worse.
Pretty much it is humid. Real humid.
That's why I'm sweating like a pig. See my head?
Oh. Here.
And yeah, Vic, I realized that there's a headband right up there. You know, I always forget it until it's almost too late.
Hanging up there to dry.
Here, hang on to that for a second.
Yep.
Well, I put my headband on. See, Vic, there it is.
That's it up here.
Okay. I don't know why that song is in my head today.
You just need me to pull those ones out, or?
No, I'll grab it.
I figured since they were right there, you'd easily just get to them. You probably should have.
Keep having to fucking...
Oh gosh.
What?
There's sweat all over the inside of this now.
Oh, yeah? Wouldn't be from me.
Would it? So I'm like, oh my god, why does it look wet? But
Why is this all wet? I don't know. It'll be filled with oil soon.
pretty much. It'll all be good and few. All right. torque time now.
Yep.
Alright, so we'll start on
Same
what,
thing.
20, 30, then 50. I'll just be over here and just do it.
You want to be over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll just
Oh
have to-
yeah, we gotta go back down to 30.
Yep.
There's the 50. There's 30.
Alright. That's it.
The next round you're gonna have to be on the other side
Yeah.
because it's gonna be a higher torque. This one might be done already. Yep. So it's right there. That one, that means this one. I think this has already got. Yep.
Alright. Up to 50. Yep.
Just testing this one.
Yep.
I think we're on this one.
It's already done.
Okay.
Now we're 70. That one needed quite a bit.
And these are ARP bolts, so they ain't gonna break. This block will break first. Okay, now we're gonna just check.
Every last one.
It's like Logan's back. So when they first came out with these things, although people had torque wrenches, they were really expensive. So a lot of people didn't use them.
How'd you find out if you were doing it the right way?
Well, like my dad did, he just did it. Grunt it out.
Yeah, but how do you know if you're going too hard or too
He didn't.
soft on it? He just did it.
I mean, that's why he rebuilt the Dodge truck motor 3 times. Just saying.
I mean, as long as you ain't got a problem rebuilding it, no
Right?
sense in a mistake.
So now I'm backing off this torque wrench because we're done with it.
So it can go into
Now-
storage.
So I can go back in the case. You know, for $25, this Husky torque wrench is really nice. I got it from the pawn shop. I think I already said that before, but see, there's the little sticker right there from the pawn shop. Husky ratchet set. Yep, it's a ratchet set, all right. They didn't know what they had. Said $85, but they gave it to me for 25.
Not bad. Ratchet set. It clearly isn't like that thing right there.
Right? That's a ratchet set. So, I guess that's it for now. Oh, it's 46 minutes. Wow. So, anyway, it's looking pretty good. We'll do some more stuff hopefully tomorrow. My work's been taking some of my time, so that's what's been going on. Later, y'all.